This is the newest of the Taliban's territories. Until recently, the villages nestled in the barren mountains of Orakzai tribal agency had been home to mostly poor, conservative but relatively peaceful Pashtuns. Not anymore. Religious militants from the outlawed Tehreek-e-Taliban are now in almost complete control of the territory. There are no army or paramilitary troops in the area, and even the tribal police or Khasadars have been driven away by the militants. Barring a few locals, who at best are helpers, the armed Taliban are all Masood tribesmen, ferocious, battle-hardened and fully prepared to kill and be killed on the call of their leader. And this is their commander, Hakimullah Masood. After having lived for some time under the shadow of the Tehreek-e-Taliban chief, Baitullah Masood, Hakimullah is ready to spread his wings. Though still associated with Baitullah Masood's outlawed group, Hakimullah's first appearance before the media in his slice of the Orakzai tribal agency has also been an exercise in image building, and he is quick to make his mark by firing off the more extremist view on attacks being carried out on mosques that are being used by anti-Taliban local tribesmen.
जो सलारज़ई में फ़िदाई हमला हुआ या और एक मस्जिद में हमला हुआ है, इनके मिसाल हमने आपके सामने पेश किया कि आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने मस्जिद ज़रार को मस्जिद ज़रार को मिस्मार किया था, और मस्जिद ज़रार वही मस्जिद था जिनमें मुनाफिकीन ने मशवरे करते थे सहाबा के हक़ में। यही वो मस्जिद है जो लश्कर के सरबराह उनके अंदर नमाज भी पढ़ते हैं और वो लश्कर वाले लोगों को बयान भी देते हैं और तालिबानों के ख़िलाफ़ फिर भी जंग करते हैं।
Hakimullah has denied his direct involvement in the recent kidnappings of Afghan and Iranian diplomats, but he justified such actions in the name of the broader anti-NATO campaign.
कि जो लोग नेटो अफवाज के साथ हमकारी करते हैं उनके खिलाफ हमारी जंग है, और नेटो के अफवाज के हमकारी वाले लोगों को जिसने अगवा किया है, जिन लोगों के साथ है, हम उन पर खुशहाल है।
Hakimullah Masood loves to show off his weapons, but his latest prized possession is another American toy.
This is one of the vehicles which has been snatched by the local Taliban from the NATO supply while they were supplying these vehicles and other equipment to NATO forces in Afghanistan. The commander of local Taliban, Hakimullah Masood, has warned that they would cut the NATO supply and stop all those elements who are supporting the NATO and ISAF forces inside Afghanistan.
The Humvee was among the vehicles taken by the armed militants in the Khyber agency. Its presence hundreds of kilometers away in the Orakzai agency also demonstrate the spread of Taliban control in a large area of FATA. The Masood tribesmen from the outlawed Tehreek-e-Taliban made inroads into the Orakzai agency on the strength of their heavy armament. But it is also one of the most underdeveloped of the tribal regions. Girls' schools are non-existent, and many of those for boys have no teachers. Lack of these facilities have forced these people to join those elements who are fighting their own security forces.
हम एक महीना हुआ कि इधर तालिबान के साथ आए हैं, इंशाल्लाह, और इस्लाम में ये कहते हैं, कुरान में ये कहते हैं कि इस्लाम में दाखिल हो जाओ और अपना ख़त्म काम अपने सार भी कुर्बान कर देते हैं और जिहाद में इंशाल्लाह आखिरी दम तक लड़ेंगे।
अब्दुल वहाब
Back in the makeshift Taliban camp in Orakzai's Arkhanjo Mamuzai area, Hakimullah and his men strut about armed and loaded. This is one tribal agency which does not border Afghanistan, and the message from the outlawed Tehreek-e-Taliban is clear. Along with Afghanistan, they are eyeing Pakistan's settled areas. Zahid Shirazi, Dawn News, Orakzai Agency.